This is Tivolt. It's a portable, wireless phone charger that comes with 2 magnetic power banks. Swap one out to recharge, swap in the other to stay powered up. No wires, no breaks, no outlets, no problem. See this mess? This is where other power banks send you when they run dry. But with Tivolt, one bank stays on the outlet, the other keeps you off it. Tivolt works on any phone or case that accepts a wireless charge. Setup is fast and easy. Just attach the metal studs to your phone and snap on the power bank. That's it. But how strong is the magnet? Strong enough. When it's time to upgrade, just reattach the metal studs to your new device. More freedom, less waste. And if your phone isn't wirelessly compatible, Tivolt comes with a convenient power cable. Tivolt is thin and lightweight, yet it's packed with 5,000 milliamp hours. It gets you from 0 to 100 fast. And if you need even more power, Tivolt is expandable with additional power banks. Tivolt charges your phone right when you need it, which means no more getting lost, no more waiting by the outlet, and no more cliffhangers. Tivolt, the swappable power bank that's always in charge.